Welcome, everyone is an iPhone SE from 2020 and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So to get started, as you can see, this is the beginning screen, so press home and choose our language. English right here, and select your country or region. So again, I have basically most of all the choices here. I'm not going to really bother with it. Sure, France works good enough. Then, well, this is because I have a SIM card in the device, so I need to put in a PIN for it. But if you didn't insert your SIM, this will not show up. Then you have Quick Start, set up manually, choose a Wi-Fi. It looks like we cannot set it up without any Wi-Fi, which is kind of sad, I guess. So let's select Wi-Fi. Okay, let's stop and continue. Touch ID. Now you can add your Touch ID, so you can use your finger to unlock the device, just the button right here, or you can skip that and do it later on or never. So I'm just gonna select not to use it. And you have passcode options. You have a couple different ways of doing it. So you have custom alphabet code, custom numeric code, 4-digit numeric code, or don't use passcode. Again, choose whichever one you want. Let's go to the next page. Then we have apps and data, so you can restore the data from, let's say, like an old iPhone. As you can see, you can have a restore from iCloud backup, so you would need to log into your Apple account. Then you have restore from Mac or PC, so before you actually, for instance, get rid of your older device, you can plug it into your computer and back it up to your computer through iTunes. Then you have transfer directly from iPhone, so we just use the phone that you have right now, connect it together, and it will transfer like that. Move data from an Android. You need just an additional app to download that and then do it like that. And then don't transfer apps or data. So this would be a setup as new, which is what I'm gonna select. And then we have the Apple ID, so we need to log in here. Now again, I believe there is a way to skip this if I want to. Get password, I don't have Apple ID, there we go. And set up later in settings. Or you can set up yours if you don't have one, but you want to. You can choose to create a free Apple ID. Don't use, there we go. Terms and conditions. Now to this you have to agree. So just tap agree. If you're interested, you can read all of this and then, well, unconditionally still have to agree to it. Keep your iPhone up to date. Install updates manually, or basically either it will install it, download it whenever a new one comes out, or you will have to go through these settings and look for them yourselves. So just tap on continue. iMessages and FaceTime. Now this works if you're logged into your Apple account. Location services. You can enable or disable it. It helps if, for instance, when you're using the Maps app, then you can actually it will gather your location just so it can provide you with a good route to your destination that you want to travel to. You can disable it. All of that is still accessible through settings if you want to turn it on or off later on. I have screen time set up later in settings, don't really bother with that. iPhone analytics, so basically gather data on you and share with Apple just so they can quotation mark improve the usability of the device. Then True Tone display. You have a button to see what it does. So it looks like it adds just a different tint to the device. I guess it's a matter of preference how you like it. Probably would be better to look at it after the device is set up on a different content. And then the last thing you'll see is the appearance. So you have light and dark mode. You can choose whichever one you want. And then you have a couple different options for the home feedback press. So you can select each one of them and see which one fits you. And tap on continue. display zoom, just continue, and welcome to iPhone. Get started, and we're fully set up. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.